Hey kids, I'm going out.
Okay, Daddy.
Knock. Knock.
Who's there?
Revenge.
You didn't let me finish, man.
Finish what?
The joke.
What joke?
You said knock knock, and I said who's there? And then you said revenge.
Yeah, and then I shot you. Joke's over. Haha.
I know, but you didn't let me finish because I was supposed to say revenge who? Get it? And then you were supposed to answer to that?
Tommy gun.
What?
That's what I would have said.
I don't know if that would work, man.
It'll work. Let's try it again. Knock knock.
Who's there?
Revenge.
Revenge who?
Tommy gun.
I was gonna go for a nice, peaceful ride, and I can't even drive now. My foot's all messed up, man.
We can't have peace until you're dead, man. So if you want that peaceful ride, you'll get it. In a hearse.
Let's do this!
Game over.
Right? Shoot me! End it! That got intense fast. You guys think he left then? He got scared and he's not coming back or something like that? Maybe he moved out and that's it. I'll never hear from him again. Maybe. Well, only way to find out is if you guys subscribe, join the club, and see what happens in the next episode. Because my bro is very unpredictable. I mean, you guys hear that? Oh man, what is that?